Jonathan Maguire with Foundation Worx, and this is another Foundation Worx Minute. I'm on site here at a house. I'm going to scroll over here and show you a crack in the basement floor. This crack oftentimes gets notated on home inspections. I'm going to point out a couple of things real quick. First of all, when you notice this crack, you can see there's a gap in between the wall and the floor. On this side, you can see there's very little, if any, gap. What you have here is a common shrinkage crack found in concrete slabs. It's just when one portion of the concrete tries to shrink faster than the other part. If I zoom back over here, you'll be able to see we're at a corner of a basement wall. You've got a small set of concrete in one area, and you have a large set of concrete in the other area. You'll also notice over here, you have another crack, very, very similar. Very common. You'll once again notice you've got a crack on one side, no crack on the other side of the wall. It's just a shrinkage crack. This is almost never a foundation problem. Thanks again for joining us on a Foundation Worx Minute.